Now we have defined both of the edit text. Now come to main activity. In this we are going to create a bundle through which we are going to extract those values. Bundle equals to dot. Here we are using the get extras. Okay, so we have to define two strings. String name comma age. Okay, now what we have to do, now here we are getting the value of name that we have passed in from main activity to main activity 2 in this variable name. And our key was name. Okay, now I'm simply copying this. This should be in double quotes. Okay, now what we have to do is to define two edit text. Here, edit text. Basically, I'm copying this thing from here, so it will be easy for us. Edit text. Edit text. Let me check the ID. We have to keep name and age. Name, age. Change the edit text name also, because our string and edit text both have the same name. N and A. What do you have to do? N dot set text name. Do same for age. A dot age. Okay. Now let me check once again what was ID, name and age. Yeah. Okay. Let's run our application. Now we are going to put values in name like Yash and age 20 and click on click. Now you can see that thing, the values of name and age is appear in another activity. Okay, so by helping of this bundle you can also pass image or anything else you want to pass. Thank you.